Hey guys, it's Brandon, creator of Happily Dressed, a fashion blog dedicated to self-acceptance, self-confidence, and self-sufficiency, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are having a little fun, and I finally get to upload a video that goes into the personal style playlist. But a few weeks ago, I was sent some shoes from Koi Footwear to review and see if I liked them. They gave me the option of going on their website and picking out 4 shoes that I would love to try. And honestly, when I get emails like this, I do not respond that often. But these shoes were vegan leather, and they also had really cool styles for both men and women. There was even a pair of sandals on there that I really wanted, but they were sold out of my size, so it's okay. I chose another option, but I thought it'd be fun not to only show you the shoes, but also show you how I style the shoes. So let's jump right into it. So first up is the Allegiance men's rope boot, and this actually was a no-brainer. I love boots, I love combat boots, I love boots with a heel, so it checked all my boxes. I just thought the bands on these boots were really cool. I've never seen something like that before. Plus they come in a neon color too if you wanted that. Not necessarily my style, but I appreciate the pizzazz. So I paired them with a collection of my thrifted pieces, this thrifted navy blazer, which I really enjoy, plus these thrifted wrestler pants that I DIY'd myself by cutting the bottom. And then I brought it all together with this crossbody bag from Glad & Young. They are an amazing leather company run by 2 phenomenal women who mean a lot to me. And I bought this bag from them back in October. This would normally be an any-day fit for me, but because of our good friend Miss Pandemica, I haven't been able to dress up the way I want to, so I don't normally get to wear my blazers because I have a collection of them, honestly. But it was fun to pair this with an outfit that really showed off the boots as well, with the hem on the jeans being a little bit higher than usual. Next up, we have a pair of sandals that were actually in my size. They were the Terra men's Vision sandal, and I've always wanted to wear socks with sandals and like style them in a cool way, but I've never found the right sandal, and these come very close. They had a different pair on their website that I maybe would have liked a little bit more because it matched my style a little better, but I really enjoy the look of these as well. I paired them with a pair of red contrast stitched trousers, which might look familiar to you guys because I made them. But I felt like these sandals needed a really casual, slouchy kind of vibe. So those pants fit the bill. Plus I added on a gray hoodie and this blue workman's vest that I thrifted a while ago. This is actually something way more casual than I dress, but I thought it complemented the shoes well. Plus it was a lot of fun to play with that bold red in the pant and match it with a color like that navy blue. Next up we have the Cyberpunk loafers. These were actually really interesting. They caught my eye immediately. I didn't know exactly how I wanted to style them, but I knew that they were really cool and that I wanted them in my cart. Just like the boots, I love the platform detail on this loafer. And the rings at the top are a pretty cool touch to me. Not gonna lie, this one was actually a struggle. Because the shoe is so unique, I paired it with a unique outfit, including a pair of pants that I got a long time ago from Urban Outfitters, and then this oversized New York hoodie that I thrifted last year. I thought the pairing of these 2 different silhouettes, like very baggy and then long and kind of skinny, was really cool. I like the juxtaposition of it all. And I feel like it really fit the vibe of the shoe. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, because that is the one I definitely struggle with the most. But I do like the outfit I created for it. I always dress kind of interesting anyway, so to have a shoe that also reflects that is pretty cool. I will say that the loafers were a little tight, and I had like a really thin socks, and they still were a little tight, but I didn't feel that way about any of the other shoes, and they're all in the same size. So maybe go up a half size in the loafer, but other than that, I thought it was a pretty cool shoe. Lastly, paired to one of my favorite outfits, we have the Plutonium men's tri-strap shoe. This is basically a fancy platform-esque dress shoe for me. I thought it was pretty interesting. It is a shoe style I don't wear that often. I'm really more of a boots or sneaker kind of guy, not really here for the fancy shoes, but I thought this was a good mix between street and menswear. And to pair with more of a street, boxy, oversized silhouette, I paired a sweater that I thrifted this year that I really enjoy. I love this sweater. I can't wear it that often because it is so unique, bold, blue. Plus with a pair of pants you might have seen on my channel, and they are my patchwork denim trousers. They're super wide leg, and I love how they sit on top of the shoe. I love the whole vibe of this look. I know you can't really see the details of the shoe, but I think that they add so much personality to the fit in general, and I feel like I can just stomp around. I really enjoyed pairing this shoe with this outfit as a complete look. So that is it for my Koi Footwear haul. This is a really cool opportunity, especially with the shoes being vegan leather. No animals were harmed in the making of these shoes. Like I said before, a lot of companies do hit me up, even though I'm a very small YouTube channel, hit me up for collaborations, and I'm like, I don't wear watches, I don't shave my face. But I thought this one really meshed well with the way I dress and the content I create for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. And also let me know in the comment section down below which one was your favorite outfit. Honestly, mine would have to be between Number one, the one I'm wearing now, because I love the way it looks with the crossbody bag from Glad & Young. And the boots themselves just have so much star power. Or the last outfit, just because I love the way they all pair together so well. So those are my top two. Let me know what your top 2, 1, 3, 4 are in the comment section down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.